the wild bird, a majestic creature of the air, soaring through the sky with grace and dignity. Okay, we're kidding. These feathered friends are anything but graceful. From epic fails to bizarre dance moves, these birds are proof that you don't need arms to have a sense of humor. Get ready to have your feathers ruffled because things are about to get hilarious.
Eating everything.
Hello. You ready to go night night? You ready to go night? You ready to go night night? Yes, you are.
Oh!
Lady's not scared. Poor thing. Aww.
I'm so afraid of emus. Oh my god, it's the one with just one eye! Seriously, I can't get out of my grip! But how do I get out? I can't! Okay, go! No, I can't! I'm trying to drive! Okay, stop it! Go away! Go! Get out of here!
Don't tell me to off. Like, I love you. I love you. I love you.
You're so cute.
Twinkie, 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 Stinky, Stinky, Stinky. Twinkie, 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 Stinky.
You are so loud this morning. It's early. Nico, it's 5:30 in the morning. What? You're gonna wake up Missy. Hey, everybody's sleeping. Yes. I don't even know what that was. What? Do you know everybody's gonna come downstairs? You're waking them all up, and you don't care, do you? What? Say that again. I don't know what that was. Say it again. Why are you crying? Do you want your breakfast? Oh, Nico.
Hello.
Oh, you are loving, yeah.
It's red, bud. It's red. It's a red, bud. Say red, bud. Say 3 years old. Red, bud. 1, 2, 3. That red star. Red pepper. It's red. It's pepper. It's red bud. It's good stuff. What's popcorn? Popcorn? Popcorn. Popcorn. Eat your breakfast.
What? You can't go outside. You can't fly. Yeah, no, you can't. You don't know how. You can't fly. Because, I don't know. You can't go outside.
Basta, Ricky, basta, basta.